I'd like to dive right in and start out with a lot of your research that has dealt with leadership. And I was wondering if you could help define what traits define a leader.
Well, that's an interesting question. There's actually been a fair amount of research trying to isolate specific traits, and it's been largely unsuccessful, to be honest. And the reason is because there are many, many traits that can help. But what matters is what's the combination and what's the situation. And so really, researchers have abandoned the study of traits as indicators of leadership effectiveness. And when I look at the research on leadership and the practice of leadership, what I see is that great leaders have three attributes in common at a broader level than traits. The first one is that they are diagnostic and deliberate about leadership. What that means is that they look at situations and ask, how can I add value on a situation-by-situation basis? They also plan and anticipate how people are likely to react to the things that they do. So that's the first one. The second is that the best leaders have a broad behavioral repertoire. And right away from that first criterion I used, which is, are leaders diagnostic about situations? If you're going to ask yourself the question, how can I add value on a situation-by-situation basis, chances are you're going to need to rely on a broader set of styles than the ones that come to you naturally. So great leaders push beyond the styles that they reflexively use to learn how to respond broadly in a broad set of situations. And then third, the best leaders are courageous and ambitious about leadership development, recognizing that developing as a leader takes specific attention and effort and is also a lifelong endeavor. So rather than going to a kind of trait model, are the best leaders domineering or are they good at influence? I like to think in these broader categories about being clear on who you are as a leader, being deliberate in thinking about your own development and adding value in various situations.